Is this that thing?
You must get another
that you were
one.
talking about to me?
Would you finally got one?
Wow, that looks great.
You got
That's
one.
great, Jenna.
I can't believe it. Where'd you get that from? Around here?
Dad.
We had to pay like postage and from around the country to get it.
I have things. It's very hard.
I got it too.
Oh, you got one too? Oh, you got one already?
I already have it. But it's blue. What's that, Kyle?
No, you're not gonna have blue.
It's a nightlight. It's a nightlight.
Where'd you get that from? Really?
Daniel, you got one too.
I left it on the thing. If you want to return it, I got it in
She had to go all the way to Wayne, New Jersey to get that, and they had to mail it.
That months
the
ago.
science
Okay,
store.
put it there.
She's gonna trade it.
I have another one in the mall. I left the ticket on the back in case you have to change it. Or I have. Do you know?
He saw that?
And he asked me for it, and I said, didn't you ask me that? Didn't you ask for that when we were in the mall? You said, oh, I want one of those. And then I said, okay. And then I got it from you.
Your father. Your father.
You said it was from the nature store.
It is a
It
nature
was
store.
in a nature store.
This is from the science
Months
store?
ago.
Yes.
The one store I didn't call. Oh my God, I would never
Nature store that was months ago.
You don't know how I
Daniel.
searched for that. You don't know.
Well, he asked me for it. I told him I was going to get it.
That is so funny. Oh, that's funny.
Who wrapped all these presents? Wow.
This is for Kyle.